guys, it's Darlene and welcome to my channel. It's another What's New this week, so without further ado, let's go ahead and jump in. Alright, let's go ahead and start. I had quite a few giveaways, so I want to share with you who the winners are. The ones that I did through gleam.io, which I'm not going to use anymore because I think you guys really just like to leave a comment, and then I actually found an app that just picks the winner from the comment section, so it's all fair and square. Okay, so I'm going to announce them here. So both of these people have already responded and their gifts are already on their way. So the NUFACE Mini Break the Ice, Julie Madison won that. So congratulations. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you let me know what you think of it. And then for the Juno collection, that was the one that I had put together myself. Jordana Christensen. So congratulations to both of you guys. I did with the last video. Last minute holiday, there was 2 giveaways in that one. And the first, let me just, comment picker, this is what it looks like. I will do the second one right here with you, but congratulations to Deborah Randall. You've said, I've been wanting to try City Beauty, so you win the City Beauty kit. Do is click on this little button right here, and it's gonna go through. You can see it's going through all the pictures, and it picked someone. So let's see, Beehive Christine. So you won the Juno gift kit. So I will get those out to both of you, and so congratulations to both of you. This will be the last video of the year that will have giveaways, so we're gonna have a few and just do the same thing. Put a comment in the description box. That's all you have to do. So if you don't care, then just write anything. If there's something specific, you know, I'm just gonna put them in the, I'm just gonna pick them in the order, obviously. So if that gift's gone, then you know I will give you the next gift. Another Estée Lauder kit, sparkle kit. I picked up another one today. I happened to be at the mall and I was like, this is such a great kit, you all. So another Estée Lauder sparkle kit will be in this giveaway. And then another Estée Lauder collection. This is the breast cancer awareness kit that obviously it sold out within 2 days. I knew I had picked up one for you guys. So this one was is a beautiful kit. This is what the packaging looks like for this kit. It's absolutely stunning, and some of my favorite colors are in here. And then a whole holiday collection of their lip glosses, and they're so pretty. So this will be one gift. This will be a second gift. And the third gift is Kendra Scott. You know I'm obsessed with her I'm obsessed with her lariats, and they're quite lovely. Here's the little toggle. I love that because you can make it as long or as short as you want. And this has that beautiful iridescent mother of pearl, so it goes with everything. It doesn't matter whether you're wearing gray, black, white. It's beautiful. This exact same one. The tag will be on there as well, and as well as little gift bags. Put all that in. So that will be a giveaway. There'll be another giveaway, but I need to talk about first what came in this week, and then I'll explain the last giveaway. Oh, so what is happening this week? First, let me do that because, guys, what I'm going to do is I am going to take about a week, maybe 2 off. So I'm actually going to do 2 weeks worth of videos in this. I'm going to tell you what the next 2 weeks are going to entail video wise. Okay, so we are going to do, I'm going to do a holiday baking for you. So I'm going to do my 2 favorite cookies and show you how I give those. That'll be coming up at the beginning of the week. I do have a fashion haul from Versona. So I did a whole haul from Versona. Favorites, Fails, and Empties will also be within the next 2 weeks for the month of November and December. I'm doing a jewelry haul, and I am also starting a new episode, it is going to be the first in a series. So y'all know how if you go to, for instance, Ann Taylor or Nordstrom's or Express, that sometimes if you click on a sweater, it'll say how to wear this. Well, that's what I'm going to do. I'm literally gonna buy the complete outfit that they say how to wear it. I'm going to go ahead and style it exactly how they think it should be styled. And then I'm gonna tell you what I think about that. And then you're gonna tell me what you think about it, and then I'm gonna style it the way I would style it. And if it's 2 pieces, like a sweater and a pair of pants, then I'll style each of the pieces. So I thought that would be a fun way to do that. So we will start probably with Ann Taylor. I already have the outfit, and I have one coming from Express that I'm super excited to try. And the last thing is I am going to do a full face of using Estée Lauder products that I have not tried. Woohoo! So we got a lot for the next 2.5 weeks. So I'm gonna film a bunch and then I'm gonna take a little break. Okay, so what came in this week? A bunch of Estée Lauder, that's for sure. So I did pick up 3 new colors. Love, you know, sometimes you go back to an oldie but a goodie. And Physicians Formula, this is in the color Berry Healthy. Obsessed with it right now. I'm like, it's what I've worn in the last 3 days. So let me get all these colors out. I got Tenacious and Unrequited. So this is Tenacious. Oh God, I love their lippies. That's Tenacious. This is Unrequited. Unrequited? Unrequited. Gorgeous. New lipstick is in the Chrome, and it is in the Desire collection. Oh, I love this packaging, you guys. It's beautiful. So the color I'm wearing right now is Deny, and then I also picked up Unspeakable. So in the Estée Lauder Full Face with Estée Lauder, I will be showing you all of these, but don't you love the new packaging? It's gorgeous. So this is what it looks like. It's really sleek, and oh my gosh, you guys, so good. I mean, I don't know how they made it even softer, and it's beautiful. Look, red interior, gorgeous. The packaging is stunning, magnetic lid, beautiful. Okay, let's try the first one, which is Unrequited. I can't say that word. All right, let's zoom you in a little bit. I feel like you're really far. Okay, here we go. I think Estée Lauder lippies are just, like, every color is amazing. So that's Unrequited. Tenacious. Ooh, nice. I need... Pretty. Okay, the third one I got, which I've already put on because I'm obsessed, is Deny, and this is in the Chrome. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. So we'll be playing with these 3 new colors. Pick up the nude palette from Estée Lauder. When I do, this is Sumptuous Nudes. When I do the Estée Lauder Full Face, we will be using that package. I also picked up the Love Highlighter in Moon Pearl. All right, so I picked up a whole bunch more of Estée Lauder. So when we do the Full Face of Estée Lauder, I will go through all of it. I think that I have 6 new lipsticks because they came out with quite a few colors, so I'm loving it. Foreo, who has the Bear, the microcurrent device that I really love. They sent me their UFO LED thermal activated smart mask. So I have not yet tried it. I just got it in PR. So the idea is that you put these masks, and they have all sorts of ones. Apparently you put in a pad and rub it on your face, and it's supposed to be LED thermo activated smart mask. These are ones that you use with the app that I said. They also sent me the Foreo UVO Mini. Another giveaway. So if you guys want to try the mini, include 1 or 2 of the masks as well, because I think there's duplicates in here. So I will include the masks for you guys to try as well. No, just in the description box, just put which you would love. And if there's more than one, just put them in the order that you would love them. So I got this Christmas jogger suit, obsessed with it. Oh my God, it's super comfortable. It's cute. I love the joggers. I love the little Christmas trees, and it just says Merry Christmas. I'm showing it to you with the cutest socks. These came in as well. These were from Versona. Super soft. Look how cute these are. And they've got the little rubber things so that you won't slip, and they're so soft and so comfortable. Other little thing that I did pick up was this vest. Okay, before I show you the vest, you know how much I love these boots, okay? These combat boots, they're amazing. I told you I love them because they're black with the brown trim, so it really allows you a lot of versatility. So when I saw this vest on Amazon, I could not believe it. Look, it's black with the exact same trim. It's gorgeous. It has a little snap detail at the very, very top here. Zippered pockets. It's beautiful. I love it, and it looks so cute. I just threw it over this and then a pair of jeans with the combat boots, and I think it looks so cute. Guys, all right guys, the other sweater I picked up, and I had to jump in my room because I totally forgot to show this, and I posted this on Instagram and the Like It to Know It app, so that's why you should be following me, is this one from One State. Obsessed with this color. It's stunningly gorgeous. So yeah, I wanted to show this one to you. It's got these nice big balloon sleeves, not too oversized though, and it does have this ribbing and then the stitching right down the center. And the great thing is it's not too deep of a V. So I picked this one up as well. Then for home, I went a little nuts because I went and did that whole like last minute gift guide, and I had picked up a lot of candles. One of the ones that I picked up is that one right there, the La Jolie, the white one. Obsessed with it. It's not overpowering in its fragrance because I'm super sensitive for fragrance. So one, I was giving them away as gifts, and I'm like, I don't have enough. And today I just ordered another 3 because I have one in here, one in my living room, one in my master bedroom, and then I just gave one to my hairdresser, and then I just ordered another 3 today. And they'll be here in time. Last minute gifts, you guys. Literally today, I'm gonna have those candles before Christmas. The other thing that I picked up was a Christmas musical lantern. This is for my neighbors. They're older, and I just thought it was really, I normally bake, right? But they're very, very, very strict because they're older. They're in their 70s. And so, of course, I want to be mindful of that. And so I decided to get something for them, just something that I knew that they would love. And so I love this lantern. I know Miss K will really flip over it. And then I'm going to put one of the Christmas bakery candle because it's very country, and like I said, we live in the country, so it's super cute. And then I picked up some more low carb granola cereal. I use it as a snack, so that came in as well. All the other fashion, it will be in the fashion videos that will be coming up. So again, we are gonna do an Ann Taylor how to wear it. We're doing an Express how to wear it. We're doing, I have some more, we're doing a Versona haul, and then I'm doing all about little black dresses. So we got a lot of fashion that has come in, but I will not be doing another What's New This Week for 2 weeks, okay? So, because I'm gonna film these videos, and then I'm just gonna take a little bit of time off. But always follow me. If you're not following me on the Like It to Know It app, be sure to just click that, download that app, just click search for D Beauty. I'll be there. Follow me there because I do post like outfits of the day and stuff like that, and you can just shop those looks. Or if I post something from Instagram, you could just shop that look. If you don't want to download the app, the other way you can do it is if you see an outfit that you like on Instagram, All you have to do is click the link in my bio and go. There'll be a bunch of different stuff like my YouTube videos, my Amazon page, Express It, whatever's going on. And then there'll be something that says shop my Like It to Know It, outfits. And you just click that and the outfits will be there with the links, so you don't have to do any of the work. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to enter the contest. Just leave a comment in the description box. Congratulations to all the winners. Bye, guys.